Guys, hope you can see me properly. Why is the chat disabled? Oh my god. I am just seeing a notification that that is disabled. Why is it disabled, man? Sometimes, hey. Guys, let me try sort this chat is disabled first. Guys, are you able to stop? I guess I'll have to watch the chats in my phone. Because on my screen I can't see the chats. So guys, allow me to share the link in our Telegram. Hey, from Kericho, welcome. Okay, from Naivasha, welcome Momo Lifestyle. Cousin, hi cousins. Hi cousins. So let's give people time to join. Mhm. Guys, just write where you are from. It's really a good thing. It's really a good practice. If we know who's this guy we are with, normally a very good practice. Mhm. You know, some people feel they know. There's some people that use IC market as a broker, and they feel, hey, me can't use a broker. But you also have to understand, guys, environment. Where IC market is very famous is not Kenya. That's a funny one. Someone is saying, we are avoiding poverty like a stolen bicycle. You know, the way a stolen bicycle is cycled very quickly. Okay, it's not funny in English. Let me just put it in Kiswahili. Tunafukuza umaskini kama baiskeli ya kuibiwa. So you can ask ChatGPT to translate that. Dan from Eldoret, welcome from Mombasa. Thank you. Felix from Nyeri, thank you so much. Nairobi Zimmerman, thank you so much. Watching from DA de Cairo. This guy from the Cairo is consistent. Moses Witedie, welcome. Hey, I'm from Juja, welcome. I'm from Kirinyaga, Moya, wow. We have someone from Kirinyaga, Zimmerman, welcome. Naivasha, I was supposed to be in Naivasha yesterday. My wife, she didn't feel like. She was like, let's go to Nanyuki. And now Nanyuki is so far, so we ended up not going anywhere. From Rongai, Aya, watching from Qatar. Thank you so much from Qatar, from Kirinyaga, Saudi Arabia. Tumeamka pia. Thank you so much, guys. From Pui yet, I don't know what is Puyet. Where is Puyet? From Roiro, welcome, welcome, welcome. So, judging from the majority, most people are from around Ruiru, Juja, Mombasa. I mean, Thika Road, eh? No one from what is it called? This Kikamba area, Siokimau area, such places. Anyone watching from Beirut? Beirut, where is Beirut? Kamere Beach, Naivasha. At the river, nice. We have someone from we have someone from Kisumu, I think. Mombasa, not yet. I've not seen Mombasa. Yeah, six more people to join. We start. Yes, six more people to join. We start. Alien from Gong, that's good. Beirut in Lebanon. Wow, thank you so much. Welcome, Mombasa. We are locked in, guys. Two more people to join. We start. Explain DMA blockage. It's not called DMA. Ah, that's a funny one. Uh-huh. John Ebbs, hello, hello. Migori, welcome so much, Evelyn. Robbie. Where are these last three people not joining? We start. Yeah. Three more people to join. We start. There you go. We can start officially. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Let's start. It's our first day. The class is at 8 a.m. That's why it's taking time for people to join. They are not all start. Okay. So basically, I don't think there's any need of looking at the weekly charts, but let's peep a bit. Okay. So based on weekly charts, this thing had to retrace to a here, there's yeah, yeah, yeah. Textbook, 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 textbook. Wow. So guys, every live analysis, guys, we will have to be looking at the higher time frame because this is a zone that was bound to be touched on the 4 hour. It's a zone that was bound to be touched in the 4 hour. Okay, so we are looking for buys, and I don't know, I did not. So we are looking for buys today, unless stated otherwise. Okay, so basically, it looks like that. Okay. Haya, sawa, tuanze sasa. So we start with the Asian range. Asian. By the way, you guys, did you wake up with me at 3 a.m. to see if we could get some moves in the market? To 9 a.m. So that's the. Mhm. So I want you to understand, even if we are buying, we never. So this is a liquidated area. Okay. So I'm hoping for buys right now to this zone. I cannot tell you guys to scalp to this zone. That would be so unfair because just the movement from here to here is very small. Anyway, what I want to insist on is whenever the market touches my box, it must retrace. So we don't know where it might retrace to, but it must retrace. So we can catch the retracement move for the time being, and then later on take the buys. Okay, because I'm hoping we buy to above these zones. But remember, it must retrace whenever it hits such zones. Okay. Okay. So I'm hoping for buys as we are talking. Guten Morgen from Germany. I know Guten Morgen. Yes, Levis Sasap, Moshi, Kenyan aviator from Pakistan. What's up? No wonder we have been getting a lot of adverts from Pakistan. It's Pakistan. Yes, Pakistan. So you understand, guys? Am I making sense? Hmm? Kama mnieni vizuri. So gold must retrace the moment it touches this box. That's why you're seeing it's weakening. Sawa? It's very weak. So you don't want to sell right now because I don't feel it might sell without touching the box. Another thing, you might not want to buy right now because your take profit is just there. You understand? Is that making sense to you? So that's the current status on gold. What happened during the the week? I told you guys we will be scalping sales, I think, in our Friday class. I was hoping for buys here. Actually, it bought without touching my take profit and then went to take out my stop loss. So Friday was a very bad day for me because of that trade. Because it happened 3 times. The same trade happened 3 times. See? You see, same thing. Took out stop loss. This was the re-entry. No, no. But no biggie, no need to worry. So Euro USD did not sell massively like the way. But I don't know if you can see this Kazon here. Did we? I don't know if we drew it because I did not take its trade. But you see, this Kazon could have given us money like crazy. But I'm sure there's no need to do because no one took that trade. Sindio? Aya. Let's start with the Asian session. Let's start with the Asian session from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. So it has hit it's retracing. Where is it retracing to? So basically, guys, we can have this as take profit. I want you to understand the moment the market touches here, it must take a buy. Okay, that's a must. Or it breaks downside and the next zone is this zone. You see how tricky trading is, guys. It either you either take our buys here, okay, or wait here. But there is no way to confirm unless we take that risk. You understand? So it either does this. You see now, you remember I told you about the highway. Now it's between highways. It cannot exit. You see, it has to touch, it has to touch here. After touching here, it has to retrace. Now the problem is we don't know how that retracement will hold. Okay, but you can see we have some very good buying pressure. Okay, so this is a buying zone here. This was around 330. So I could have given you guys this trade if I was looking at Euro USD. But do you understand? So I would be hoping for a retracement to this zone. No. So let's hope it touches this zone again. So this will be more of a retest zone for Euro USD. Okay. All right. We can look at the daily. It would not hurt us to see what's happening. Ndio. What's happening in the daily? Yes, same thing. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Wow. Textbook, yes. Uh, okay, so that's what happening to Euro USD. I don't know why we did not see that sell because that was textbook. So we are hoping for more sales according to Euro USD. According to Euro USD, we are hoping for a retracement and more buys. And I don't know how far it can retrace to. I don't see, guys. I don't think you understand. You can see. Okay, let me remove the charts. Do you see, guys? See from here? Let me zoom. Let me zoom. You see, the current market is here. It is retracing. We know it will come to here. This is more of its final take profit whenever we are trading. Okay, and another take profit here. Okay, so it's bound to go buys for long. But now you can see we are forming a 4 hour selling candlestick and it's pre-London. So I don't know where it will come to. Can it come to here? Let's go to 2 hours, we see. Because it's selling and we don't know where it's selling to. So it's coming even to the zone that I've drawn, the zone, not thrown. Okay, so we can all agree. The moment it touches my zone, we take the buys. I will agree to that without a doubt. Because this zone is already retested, this Kawani hour zone is already retested here. Oh, I'd already drawn it on the 15 minutes. So yes, if my zone is touched, I will take the buys. I don't care how it looks like, I will just take the buys. So let's hope the zone is touched. So can we sell? The question should be, can we sell? No, you cannot because guys, this you cannot. Unless you really want to risk. Okay? Unless you really want to risk. So for now, I don't advocate for this sell from here to here. I don't advocate for it. Let's see what gold is doing before we continue to GBP USD. Yes, I've told you it's buying to the zone. So that means gold might just buy without ever selling again. Maybe gold will buy above this zone, tap that zone back and fly. Okay, so that's Euro USD. I hope we are together, my people. So that's Euro USD. Okay, let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD. So GBP USD, was it textbook? Yes, GBP is yani these pairs were destroying me on Friday like crazy. Yeah. So GBP USD is selling. So gold has tapped the sell zone. So we can scalp cells. Let me show you. But you can wait for it to kuingia vizuri proper. So the trade should look like that. The trade should look like the trade should look like that. Ah, okay. So we wait for it to ingia vizuri ama let's start scalping cells hapo pole pole. Okay. Okay. So I'm hoping for retracement. If it breaks that zone, fine. I will just take but it must respect that zone so that it can give us a buy entry. Okay. Euro USD. So I'm hoping for the same for Euro USD. For sales, yes. Haya. I think that's a very good idea. Okay, so I've taken the cells. I've even given for free. Same thing I know would work for Euro USD. Let's see if GBP USD is feeling our vibe. So let's start with the. Have you guys seen the online beef that is going on? Jo, mnapenda hizo story sana hapo. Asian session. So for Asian session, GBP USD has ran like crazy. It has bought like crazy, meaning we have a lot of buy momentum on its side, and it's selling to here. So guys, you can sell GBP USD to there. So let me write it down so that I can trade sell GBP USD. Okay, TP1. 354. Wow, okay. Okay, 143 people. We are doing good eh? Sijui kama mnapata point yangu. Yes, this can be a buy zone right here. But maybe basi, let's say if it taps here, it's a sell zone. You understand? If taps, that's like a setup for sells. Let me show you. So my stop loss should be, you get it? Hmm? So yes, the sell setup should look like that. So I will put Nini here, an alert, then we will sell. For that, I don't know why it's buying. I like the way gold is not going to our stop loss. So let's hope we are safe. For GBP USD, come to our zone kindly. Okay. So yes, that's what we are looking to do today. Yes, yes, that's a very beautiful move. Da, 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 da. Okay, we continue. So USD looked at it. The XY did a start thing. Eh? The XY destroyed me. Yeah, I'm telling you, Friday I had a bad day, but today is recovery day. I'm not here to play around with the market. So it came here. So like a crazy mother. Teet. Okay. So you can see what is happening on GBP USD is happening on on the XY, right? So this zone here should cause a retracement, right? It's not a major retracement, but a minor retracement. Okay, so the moment that it retraces, it comes to maybe here or here. Okay, I don't know. I didn't take a look at this, and this was 345. Okay, it was supposed to come to such a zone. Okay, and we know this thing wants to sell to below here. Yes, because of liquidity below, because of this. That's not a liquidity for now. Okay, but I will just mark it. So you can see the cells have a goal. They will sell here, they will sell here, here, and so on. But now, before it sells, I'm hoping it buys, and you can see it's reacting to the buys. So I think our sells are valid. We are not forcing the market to react in our direction. So yes, you can see tapped and it's selling like crazy. Okay, yes. So let me add. So yes, it's a good idea for GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD. So the cut rate should look like this. A very small 1:5. Please, please, please. Wow. Yes, the cut rate should look like that. Okay. Higher. So I think everything looks good. For Euro USD, yes, you can sell right now. It's definitely in a selling zone. Okay. Let's look at NAS 100. What has been NAS 100 been doing? This was Kazon withdrew, taken out, came back twice, even thrice. Wait, wait. This is more of a resistance than a potential selling or buying zone. Okay. So let's mark the Asian session 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. So what are we seeing on Asian session? The market has been consolidating like crazy consolidation. Do I advise you to take a trade when the market is looking like this? You should be looking for buys, but uh-uh, guys, sell NAS 100 to around this zone. Yes, sell NAS 100 to this zone. So where will we sell from? We hope the market touches maybe here or even here, somewhere around that place zone. Yes. So for now, we are hoping for buys to that zone, then we sell if possible. Okay. So guys, we will be doing live trading, Leo. Yeah, our last GJ trade was activated. Haha. And the way we said, hey, GJ is not a good trade. We will analyze GJ tomorrow. I don't have its strength right now. BTC USD, I talk about. What is BTC USD doing? The guy is flying, is flying like crazy. Hey. One number, this thing moves. Why? Hey, hey, hey. Why? Hey, see this thing moves. So it's selling right now. Yes, I'll be hoping for more sales if I was on BTC USD, but I can only sell if it touches here. You understand? So for now, you cannot buying right now. You'll be trading triple bottom. That's dangerous, India. So we don't want to use confluences that are not ours. Uh, so for now, we just watch the market. I'm sure it will get to around this zone. We can sell comfortably to this zone. Yes, and continue buying. So I think the movement is because Elon Musk is fighting with Trump. I don't know if it's true. Hmm. Yes. Your JPY. Your JPY is looking healthy. We will look at it tomorrow. Yes. So for now, we wait on the trades that we have agreed on. Yes. So GBP activating Makazon vizuri sana. Euro USD, I'm sure it will sell. So let's stay tuned and see if they break the zones that we've drawn, we're gonna have to so remember this is pre-London. So I'm hoping for a retracement before London opens. Then after London, we take our trades. Understand? God willing, it will be such a good movement. Okay. So for now, allow me to end the live there. And let's see if you guys are down, we can come back for live trading. If you have any questions, fire them up really quickly. Mhm. We should prioritize BTC USD. We will always do that moving forward. There's a cloud chaser, but guys, I told you we will not allow people with the FX name in our lives, because these are people trying to build a brand of their forex accounts, and the only thing they can do is cloud chase in our lives. Okay, because if you feel you know too much, what are you doing in our life? Hmm? You're arguing with someone sitting really good in his balcony. Eh? Okay, I know I customized the mtu amelala kwa carpet analia lia, anataka kubishana na my analysis. Let your analysis show us results so that we can trust you. Mm. Nebs, kindly, what account is the best for opening premium? Wewe, you are losing it, bana. I have shared a link. Let me share the link again. Wewe, you will lose your money. Alafu you can't blame me. Let me send the link right now. Strategy yangu I will teach the moment we have at least 300 people on our lives. I don't want to teach 100, si ati niko na ubaya, but you know, the bigger the number, so that I don't have to repeat myself. People will miss out, alafu they come tell us, hey, we need to teach you. Si heri ni nini. Why is double top or double bottom dangerous? It's called if you really study forex, there is something we call institutional trading. For institutional trading, the double top and double bottom is more of liquidity than a trading strategy. But for people that are not well informed in trading, they call them a strategy. Okay, there's a bank holiday today in Europe. Europe doesn't have any effect. USA is what we fear. I sold GBP USD and Euro USD. I entered. Me, I have entered. Currently, I have gold because it is slow to movement. Okay. Any other question? You can see gold has started moving. So yes, that's what we wanna see. Yes, and Euro USD the same. So what other thing are you asking before I close up? I might just end the live there. Yeah, so you hold. Why not? So you have a good stop loss that I've shared. Hmm? Mambo ya AI imefanya nini? Oh, AI. Wait, but it's coming, it's coming. Hata you've done good to remind me. Ni text we jamaa anatengeneza we. So let me tag the link here. Yeah, hata ndio nimetext jamaa pia. Yeah. Okay, nimetext jamaa. Guys, let's finish the live. Sawa, tafadhali. Someone is saying we make the live a little bit longer. You see, what we will do, I want to be doing live trading. Sawa? Kama mnataka tufanye hivyo sahi. Live trading is where we just draw zones that we are hoping for, and leave it to trade the whole day. Nilikosa mtu wa kunisaidia na VO3 man. I feel bad. Okay? But Kiriga Daniel, I appreciate so much your thoughts. If you bought, it depends where you took your trade. Okay, so guys, allow me to finish the live so that you can see if we are doing live trading.